Hey guys, so in this quick video, I'm going to share with you how you can bypass the chat ban in Warzone. So this is something you can do. Hypothetically speaking, if you play on console and go to the date and time in your console settings and change it to, let's say, a year or so forward from the actual date, hypothetically speaking, that might circumvent your ban. Hypothetically speaking. You know, it's going to work. Someone wrote here, this works on a PS5, try it on PS4 and Xbox, then it doesn't leave the ban. Someone wrote here, PS4, just tried and it worked. So try it out, try to change it, and maybe it's going to work out for you. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.